Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your LinkedIn Learning app. All you have to do, you just go down, click on my Learning down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on your name. Then you come to this list on your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. So then come to this list here. Then you go down and you click here on account settings here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Just waiting to open video. So it's going to take a time. Then you click here on advertising data here and come to this list. Then you click here on interest and trust. So then come to this list here, click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that's mean interest and try it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.